Hi, I want to show you how I use the handy dandy tool called Snippet or Snagit. Anyhow, I use it all the time. For instance, yesterday I posted this Happy President's Day. How did I get it into the computer? Question. What I do is I have this snip and sketch on my computer because I downloaded it, but if you have a K-12 computer, you should already have one called Snippet. You're going to have to open your files or click snip and sketch. If you don't have it, you can get it free on the internet, but just wanted to let you know that's a possibility. So let's go back to how I actually use it. So I open this and I am going to create a new sketch, and I want it to be in the shape of a square. So I click that and I come over here and get the image that I want. And now I can highlight on it. I can say, hey, this is by John F. Kennedy. I can write my name on it, and like if you want with a PlayPosit score to make sure that I know that it's yours, that works too. Or you could erase all of the ink that's on there, however you want to do it. Now the options are, if you want to put your image in a Word doc or a Google Doc, all you have to do is copy and paste the image that you have snipped. But if you want to upload something to the website to turn in for an assignment, you have to save it to your computer. So I'm going to click Save here, and then I'm going to call it Lady Liberty, but look, I'm going to put it where I always can find it, because if it just goes to PC, I get confused. I forget where I put stuff. So I'm going to put it in my pictures, and then I'm going to change the name to something I will remember. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Now that that's saved, I can go to the tools, we'll say assignments, and I can upload it and it will be saved to my computer as Lady Liberty. So I hope that this is helpful. It's really a powerful tool. Use it constantly. Have a great day.